Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you.
Hello me! Happy 18th birthday with 42 years of experience. Sorry, hindi ako nakarating dyan personally. But anyway, gusto kong magpasalamat sa maraming pagkakataon na nandyan ka para sa aming magkapatid, para alalayan kami. I wish you good health and sana umabot ka pa ng mga another 200 years para maka-attend na talaga kami sa birthday mo. Pang 236 take na to, kaya isisend ko na talaga to. I love you me, God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Happy birthday, Mommy! Line kiss cake out dyan.
Happy birthday, me!
Hi, Mami Edith. Sabi sa akin ni Rona, batiin ko daw po kayo ng happy 60th birthday sa inyo. God bless you. Ingat po.
Hello, Mami Edith. Si Alakdan to. Pero, huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi kita sasaktan. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy 60th birthday. At sana mag-enjoy ka sa special day mo. Marami pang birthdays ang dumating sa'yo. Mahaba pa ang iyong buhay. And, pasensya ka na dahil nasa kama na ako. Pero, happy birthday, Mami Edith. God bless you. I love you.
Hi, Mommy Edith. Si Enrique Hill po ito. I want to wish you a happy 60th birthday. Of course, more birthdays to come. Stay happy, enjoy life, and keep on living.
Hi, Mommy Edith. Happy 60th birthday to you po. I hope you enjoy your birthday and I wish you good health and happiness and I hope to see you soon. God bless. Take care.